Hi everyone. First of all, welcome to Citrix Cloud Fundamentals course. Before I discuss about Citrix Cloud topics, I would like to share some fundamental knowledge on cloud computing. So, what exactly is cloud computing? Cloud computing is the on-demand delivery of IT resources over the internet with pay-as-you-go pricing. Instead of buying, owning, and maintaining physical data centers and servers, you can access technology services such as computing power, storage, databases on an as needed basis from different cloud providers. Okay, so let's say there is an organization which is located in India, it is in Mumbai, or there is an organization which is in Germany, it's in Munich. These organizations, these organizations before cloud computing came into the picture, they used to have their own data centers. Okay, they need to buy the space first, and they need to have the data centers, and they need to install the servers. On top of that, you need to install the operating systems and applications, all these things. So they need a lot of people to manage these servers. They need to take care of the power, they need to take care of the storage, they need to make sure that all these services are up and running fine. So we need to have a lot of people to manage these servers, and we need to have a lot of space. So once cloud computing came into the picture, it is the on demand delivery of IT resources. So now, what these organizations can do is they can simply log into the console. They can simply log into the console. From there, if they need, let's say, 10 servers, let's say they need 10 servers, what they can do is they can spin up those 10 servers in no time. Okay, they can spin up those instances in no time. So it is very easy for the organizations to install these services or servers on the on demand basis. Okay, on the on demand basis. So let's go to the next point. Organizations of every type, size, and industry are using the cloud for a wide variety of use cases such as data backup, disaster recovery, email, virtual desktops, software development, and testing. So once cloud computing came into the picture, all these cloud providers provide different types of services. Okay, so if you manage these servers in your data centers, it could be difficult for you to take care of the data backup, or if, let's say, for an instance, if there is some earthquake, or if there is some cyclone, or if there is some any other problem in your particular location, if there is only one data center and if that goes down, then users will not be able to connect to those applications or servers, and your business will be down. So with the help of cloud computing, there are various features such as data backup, disaster recovery. So if one data center goes down, there will be another data center in another location which will take over the services. So if one data center goes down, the other data center will serve the traffic to the users. Okay, so organizations of every type, it could be startups or medium business or large scale business, are using the cloud for a wide variety of use cases such as email, virtual desktops, even for software development, and also for testing. Okay, for example, healthcare companies are using the cloud to develop more personalized treatment for patients. So there is an healthcare industry, they need certain types of applications. Okay, they need certain types of applications for their particular industry. So these healthcare companies are using the cloud computing to develop more personalized treatment for their patients. So let's say there is a financial organization. So financial services companies as well, they are using the cloud computing to power real-time fraud detection and prevention. So even financial organizations can have their own applications or servers, according to their requirement, which can prevent real-time fraud detection, and it can be really helpful for these organizations. And let's say there is a video game company, and these video game makers can also use the cloud computing to deliver online games to millions of players around the world. So these days people are playing online games, so it is happening in the background through cloud computing. So these are just the examples. So there are many other industries they can use cloud computing to access these resources. So these companies can save a lot of time, money and energy. So you need not, buy the space, you need not buy the servers, you need not, install the applications and operating systems. You can simply log into this cloud computing console and spin up the instances. Let's say you want 10 instances in Munich location. Okay, you can simply log into the console and you can select Germany or Munich, and you can power on 10 virtual machines and you can install those applications. So it is very user friendly, and it is also very helpful for the customers. It is a pay as you go model. So if you want something, you can pay and you can access the resources. So it is a pay as you go model. It can save a lot of time, money and energy for different organizations. So this is what I would like to share in this particular video. I really hope you find this information helpful. Thank you for watching. I will catch you in the next video. Bye bye.